Let's take one more SolidWorks exercise. This is exercise number, you will see this is catics exercise 3. This is the number you can find on internet. Task: construct a 3D model based on reference, paying attention to geometric constraints such as symmetry, collinearity, concentricity and tangency. Dimensions: millimeter. We have to find out the volume of this model. This is the volume of this model, and we have few parameters a, b, c, d, e, f, g. So these are the global variable we will apply through equations. Okay, first we will create this shape, then we will trim this one. There is a one section view. Okay, this is the front view, this is the side view, this is left side and right side view. Okay, then there is one auxiliary view. See this is the shape of this auxiliary view. There is one detailed view and one more detail view D. This is the detail view D. It shows the thread, and detail view B also shows the thread. Same thread always same. Okay, now section, this is the section C. This is the what we have to create. See, total C 18, 3 millimeter, height you will see depth 5 millimeter, and this total depth how much you will observe from here, G. Okay, then we will take inside dimension B. You will see here, this is the dimension B. Okay, the corner radius 24. Okay, then we have to cut this dimension E, dimension D, and this corner radius diameter 12, radius 6. You should remember this one. Then this angle A. Okay, so let's see how we can make. Now right click on equations, manage equations. Now apply here global variable. Now first A, press tab key in your keyboard and write 36, but at bottom you will see unit. Go to unit and apply degree. Press tab key, again tab, B, tab. Now apply the B value 132, then press 2 times tab, C. C value how much is 30, D 32, E 65, then F value goes 72, and the last one G value goes 45. Okay, press tab key. Now all the variables apply, select OK. Now if you down equations, you will see all the global variable. Now let's apply front plane, sketch, apply here corner rectangle, draw a rectangle. Now make sure the origin point is the midpoint of this line. So select line and origin point, apply midpoint. Now this is the internal dimension, so equals to global variable B. Select this one, okay. Fillet 24 and select these bottom two ends. Okay, cancel. Now keep this one little bigger because I want to trim this one, so I am not going to apply any dimension. Keep this one as it is. Okay, exit. Now apply right plane, sketch. Now here I am going to apply going to create sketch. Go back to the point and see, this is going to, okay, let me draw one midpoint. Okay, select the line and this origin point, make it midpoint. Fine. Now select this all lines including construction line and apply here mirror entity. See, this is automatically mirror. Okay, let me close, apply, activate line tool, close bottom, press escape key to out. Okay, now this is the value how much, G, global variable G how much, 45. Okay, now this value 3. and this radius shows 18. And this is going to be 5 millimeter, and distance from here to upper edge C equals to global variable C 30 millimeter. Okay, drawing seems fully defined. Exit. Go to symmetric. Now here apply swept boss base. Now sketch profile, sketch already selected. Let me choose, profile selected, sketch you have to select, sketch means path. I'm going to select this one. Okay. Now let me change the color so it looks more vibrant or more. Okay. Now let me select front plane sketch. Activate line. Horizontal, vertical. Connect here. Go back to the point. Draw a line and draw one more line. Okay, this is selected midpoint. Delete this midpoint. Now let's apply few important dimension. This distance given how much value D. Now this line distance from inside equals to E 65. Okay, let's make this radius diameter 12, radius 6 millimeter, and angle is A, global variable. Okay, now see this inside you don't need to define because I want to trim or cut from here, and these dimensions already available. So this one keep anywhere between, no problem. Okay, go to feature, apply extruded cut. Now in this condition, direction one choose through all both. See, but look this arrow, second arrow. This is going inside. Apply here flip side to cut. See, arrow moves outside. It means it is going to cut outer one. Okay, look. See. Okay, let's come here. Side view. Let's draw this circle. This circle diameter how much? Okay, this is tangent to this, so G means 45 this diameter. Okay, then we will extrude this portion. See 36 angle, and distance you will see from here 35, and we will make only up to here. See this thickness 3 millimeter. We will see this one also, and fine, these two dimensions, and bottom E depth you will see here 20. Then how much? 36, 24 from parallel to this edge. See, this is 24. Distance F from here to this center of circle F. This is important. See, diameter 36. Now select this face, sketch, activate circle, and draw circle from the midpoint. Press escape key. Now select outer edge and circle, tangent relation. See, apply material. Now keep end condition not blind. Choose here up to surface. Which surface? Select here this surface. Keep merge result. Now front plane, sketch, activate line tool. Now this line is actually the mid line of this. Okay, let me again connect one line. and connect with, make sure this one horizontal, smart dimension, distance from here to here equals to global variable 65e. Okay, 35, angle 36, select the line vertical. See, this line is parallel collinear to this line. Apply material, extruded boss base, keep mid plane, and here 20 millimeter. Okay, again I am going to apply front plane sketch. Now this time I am going to choose 3-point rectangle, first, second, third. So let me draw first point, second point, third point. Okay, select this one parallel. (36, 30, and one more dimensions from here, 24. Okay, now let me draw one midline. Draw midline to midpoint and apply these dimensions. Select from here to here. How much? Cancel this one. Directly apply from here to bottom. Now here you will get a global variable E plus F. Okay, look, it seems fully defined. Revolve boss base. Now here select this line, clear, select this line, and here select this portion. Key see in selected contour, uncheck thin feature. Now you will see preview. Only select this face. Keep angle 360, merge result. Okay, just select the diameter 36. Okay, before going to apply this hole, you will observe this straight line. We have to fill this one, and if you see this wall 36. Okay, so similarly we will extrude and fill, then we will apply hole. See, 36 minus 8, it's going to be 20 diameter, I think. Okay, then here also hole 24, 28 along with key 6. Okay, now let me apply front plane sketch, activate line, connect with midpoint and connect. Okay, let's see. Now select this outer edge and this line relation collinear. Make this one vertical. Let's see. See, this is fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base. Keep direction mid plane, and how much width? 36, because this diameter is 36. Okay, look, select the face, sketch, offset 8 millimeter, reverse. Okay, see, this is the diameter given. I want to remove material, select extruded cut, and here choose next, and direction 120. See, again this face, sketch, draw a circle, origin point. Then here I am going to select center rectangle and apply center, exactly center point. .24. Now width of key 6 millimeter and height. Select this one, hold shift key and select bottom part of circle. Drag 28 millimeter. I want to remove material, so select extruded cut. Now see here more than one close profile, so you have to, so this selected contour automatically activate. Select 1, 2, 3. See all 3 listed here. Here choose direction next. Even though you can apply thickness also, no problem. Next means if you decrease this one, it will properly cut. Now we done here. Now the most difficult part of this thread. This thread is little complex. Complex means is tricky. See 45 degree 12. This radius 2 and distance from here to here 3 millimeter. All thread are always same. And these we forget to make line. This is tangent. Here also, here 4 thread, here 1, 2 thread. Let's see. Front plane sketch circle. Escape. Now select this one, hold shift key, select this one, collinear. Make cordial. Okay. Line. Select line. And connect with this. Make it vertical. Okay, here we have some catch. Now make sure these all are tangent to each other. Fine. Select these 2 points. Trim entities, power trim, trim this one. Okay, make sure this point is tangent. Equal. Equal. Fillet. Apply 2 millimeter. Apply here. Okay. Now select this outer circle and this tangent. See? And similarly do for this. This is the typical. Okay. Okay, let me delete this line, otherwise I will lose something. Smart dimension, select this one, hold shift key, select this 3 millimeter. Okay. Now this is the perfect. Take inside, activate line, draw somewhere here. Now select the line and this. Here apply merge point. Okay, this is not going. Undo. Okay, I am going to connect with this point. Okay, we apply relation, that's why. Now let me delete this and connect one continuous line. Tangent relation. Okay, this is according to us, it's perfectly defined. We lose some relation, that's why it shows undefined, but this is perfect. Extruded boss base, mid plane 45, or let's say equals to global variable g. Okay, we will see the result. Front plane sketch. Okay, let me activate line tool. Draw one line and let me draw one line here. Make sure these vertical lines should be construction line. Make both line equal. Activate line. Now see, we place this point at midpoint of this line, midpoint of this line. So now make sure these all threads tangent to each other, are perpendicular to each other. Okay, now again let's select their top point, horizontal. Okay, fillet 2 millimeter, select all corners, say okay, fine, it works. Select bottom. Okay, select, fine, cancel. Smart dimension, select this one, hold shift key, 3 millimeter. Select this curve and this line, tangent. Let's do with all. Okay, this is exaggerated view. Bottom, any value you can define, no problem. Okay, it seems fully defined. Okay, look at bottom, this is fully defined. Actually this is over defined, but our work done. Extruded boss base. Now here apply mid plane equals to global variable g, and see, this is little tricky. You have to fully check constraint and everything. Okay, let's check evaluate. Mass properties. Okay, there is a little discrepancies. 84.3. 384 point. Actually, I think this is the correct one. In practice also I received this one. So anyhow, you can just check your answer. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.